If you want to become a millionaire, you've got to become a skillionaire first. I want to share a quick story with you. The other day I had one of my mentees, a kid that I mentor in my office. He was telling me his desire to be a millionaire. In fact, he said billionaire. He goes, Haas, what do I need to do? Like, I have a big desire to be a millionaire. And I said, oh, do you? He says, yes. I said, why do you live in your parents' basement then? He goes, because it's free rent. I said, that's the mistake. You see, to become a skillionaire, you got to go put yourself in the environment where you will thrive, in an environment that is unknown, an environment that you have to rise to the occasion. I looked at him straight dead in the eyes and I said, son, you will never become a millionaire living in your parents' basement. So here's my advice. If you have a kid living in your basement, or you're living in the basement, burn the boats, go out there, put yourself in the environment where you got to grow and develop the skill sets, because long-lasting success that nobody could ever take away from you, is grounded in skills. So stop talking about it, go be about it, go to work on yourself, develop the skill sets that are going to set you up for life. And being a millionaire is the byproduct of developing those skill sets.